Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by matching versions and exporting the mesh correctly because inconsistent tools break rig transfers. Import your FBX into Unreal with scale 1. 0, then check the bone hierarchy so Metahuman bones map cleanly. Once imported, assign the neutral T-pose and verify skin weights visually. This prevents odd stretching. Make sure to enable Morph Target Import and preserve normals. These steps let the Metahuman framework read proportions and keep facial expressions intact. Now you modify the body using Metahuman parameters and control rig edits so proportions look natural under animation. Open the control rig, tweak limb lengths and torso scale, and then refine skin weights. Paint corrections at the shoulder and hip to remove pinching. Once done, run a set of animation tests, like walk and idle, at 30 FPS so you can see secondary motion and collisions. If shapes drift, iterate weight painting and adjust joint orientation to lock the topology. Finish by baking morphs, generating LODs, and retargeting maps so the modified Metahuman works across scenes. Test performance metrics, poly count and GPU skinning, and optimize where necessary to avoid runtime hitches. Once everything renders correctly, rebuild tangents and verify collision volumes. If deformation issues remain, rebind the problematic joint, recalibrate the weight paint in small increments, and re-export only the corrected meshes. This targeted approach saves time and prevents new errors from being introduced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.